Hello everybody, this is Rudy. I want to talk about the MyQ garage door opener. I bought this product from Amazon and so far it works pretty good. Have a couple issues connecting to Alexa, but other than that, it's a pretty good system. I'm going to demonstrate a little bit. I'm going to hit the MyQ app. You got to download it. Takes a little while to upload. Then you got to, have your password and everything else and sign in. And see, as you see right now, it's saying I don't have an internet connection. And sometimes that's what happens. If you look at it, you see it's still saying I don't have an internet connection. And so you just go back into your device you use and connect to the internet. And I'm going to pause the camera while it does that. As you can see, I'm going to be opening my Corvette garage. I'm going to take the camera over there to it. And it gives an indicator that it was opening. Okay, pretty easy to install apparatus. It has a garage door sensor right there, and also it has an apparatus, the hub, the MyQ hub right there. You just connect it into your regular outlet, and it has a learner on the garage door that will find it. Very simple apparatus. I enjoy it because remotely I can close this garage from anywhere, as long as you have an internet signal, and I don't think we should fault the manufacturer for that. So that's something that I have to take up with my Time Warner cable company. Other than that, great product, I recommend it.
So in my review, I mentioned that I can't use this unit with my garage door because I want something that goes in between the push button and gets rid of the factory remotes and the factory radio signal that opens my garage door, because we just bought this house and I don't know if anybody else has one of the factory remotes, and I don't want anybody else, whether the old homeowners or someone else, to be able to get into our garages. And one of the garage doors is an ancient Sears unit with an old remote. So this one does not, you can see there's no connections on this except for right there, which is for the power plug, which they give you. It's a nice unit, really. And this is the garage door sensor, which goes on your garage door, which I'm assuming is the tilt sensor. So it tells you if the garage door is open, because that's what they call it on the manual. is the garage door sensor. What I needed was one that's got inputs on here, so basically I can wire it in conjunction with the little push button you would use in the garage, and that would get rid of it. This basically, you hold this up, you set it in programming mode, and you hit your clicker, and then this copies that signal, the RF signal. And I don't want that. I don't want to use any of the stock type signals. So if you need something like I do, then this won't work for you. I bought a MyROS unit, and that works exactly how I need to. So hope this helps somebody.
No way in the world I thought this would work on my 23-year-old garage door opener, but it does, and I love it.
It is a lot quieter than it used to be, I guess. The new ones are not that loud.
So far, so good. Working great.